welcome back to the Tony Bush Jr. Show, baby. And today is the first day of LS Fest. They gave me a golf cart, so I'm leaving one golf cart and getting into another golf cart. So we're gonna give you the perspective of this great event from the POV of a GOLFCART. I tried. So I'll be the sound guy and doing all my sound stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and head into the show. You know what to do. Hit those buttons to like, to share, to subscribe to the channel. I'm about to go inside LS Fest in Bowling Green, Kentucky, and here we go. We're in full effect, baby. We're in full LS mode. Check it out. Live from Bowling Green. This is actually a good way to see the whole car show. Look at this. This place was dead empty yesterday. Now look at it. We're everywhere. Holy smokes. It is going down. And the music, the audio is perfect on the oval track and on the off-road track. Everything turned out great. I can't be more happy. And we're in full effect. I'm just carouseling around. Actually, I'm gonna take you guys into the theme park. They got a theme water park, and it also has cars inside here too. Sorry about that, excuse me. Check this out. You ever seen, Malibu? Yes, they actually have cars parked inside the water park. How sick is that? All right, again, I'm gonna be coming to you live from the golf cart. I might get off for a little bit. Check that out. There's everything. When they say LS swap the world, they mean it. They mean it from the bottom of their hearts. All right, so now we're gonna go on the other side of the oval so we can check out some cool stuff. I wanna show y'all something sick. I mean, just like diabolically sick, diabolical sick. I couldn't even say the word right. So let's go check out some stuff. Look, CTSV, 2nd Gen Camaro, 5th Gen Camaro, 5th Gen Camaro, all the drift cars. It is literally going down. This is insane. All right, so let's roll. Let's go check out some stuff. About to take this on the track. We about to witness. This is gonna be crazy. Oh man. Is he gonna do the whole, he gonna do the whole thing? This qualifies as sick and epic. Look at this. It's like I want to say a 32 Roadster. Oh my goodness. Individual ITBs. Oh my goodness. It's got the Holly Dash in there. Oh my goodness. That's anodized red and it matches the candy paint. Oh, this is so sick. Oh. Are you not entertained? Because I am. This thing is crazy. And it's low. It's so old. Look, I can't even, nope, not fitting my finger in between there. That thing is crazy. All right, let's check out some more stuff. I bet anybody out there, $5 digital bucks, you did not think this Ford Falcon would have this in there. This is like the true definition of a sleeper. Oh my goodness, I could have swore this thing's taking me back in time. No way. It's got the Mooner wheels on it. It still has the factory dash and gauges. No way. I love the gas cat. Like, I bet you this paint has to be original. If they they might have repainted. I see a couple drips, cute little drips, but it is so cool. Fold down rear bench seat. They had a fold down rear bench seat in the 60s. That is insane. This thing is, I like, and it's a stick. Hey, that shifter came out of a 4th gen Camaro or Trans Am. I recognize that shifter knob from anywhere. Pause on the shifter knob. Pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. As for all my G-body, oh my gosh. Oh, we got some turbo tertials. They got everything from mild to wild. This thing's sick, man.
So appreciate it, man.
Oh yeah. Holy good tar nations and cock-doodle turtles. This is sick. Oh, you know what they say, Rucci? I heard about Rucci. I heard about Rucci. Yeah, they say Rucci gets you. I don't say it. We know. I'm insinuating.
We like it.
We insinuated. Rucci gets you.
The C word.
The C word. Capital C. Oh man, y'all having a good time?
Yeah, man, for sure.
Oh man, this is sick. Oh, you run it with the slap? You gotta have that 12.
Oh yeah, street car.
This is dope, man. You putting it on the track?
Not today.
Not today?
Not this day.
Not today? It look good, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh man. I wish I could show you guys the magnitude of how big this event is. I mean, look, right now I'm parked on the backside. There's cars backed up all the way to this creek. Like right where those trees are, it drops off. Look at this. Just epic. Just mother-sucking epic. Freaking awesome, man. I love it. I love it. And this is where all the drift cars are staged up with their trailers and extra parts. This is like the pit area for all the drift vehicles. I mean, there's car stuff everywhere. This is LS Fest East. They do it well. Hey, woo! They do it and it's above and beyond, man. There's no shortage. There's no shortage of car life here. So now I'm gonna take you guys over to, this is where this is where the general public is. Everybody's walking. It gets a little crazy and chaotic. You can hear it, you can see it, you can feel it. It is insane. And mind you, this is Friday. Tomorrow is Saturday. It like quadruples in size. Look, we're gonna drive through the crowd. Once I get to get behind the police. I bet you didn't think you'd see this when you woke up this morning. Aston Martin. The James Bond. They went crazy. Okay, we've seen all types of LS swaps. We've seen it. I did not see this. Oh gosh, they got the license plate. Oh, that's just crazy. They got the 007 license plate. Oh man, this thing is, I did not expect this. They got the air conditioning hooked up, the AC compressors on there. Wow. Wow, this took a lot of work. I mean, you can tell. There's a lot of fabrication that went into this. Oh, it looks like they slid a Holly Dash in there so they can get all their readings. Holy smokes. Well, what do we have here? We got a wheelie. We got a wheelie. This thing's giving me a wheelie. Oh my gosh. Crazy. Oh man, this is making me think of that old movie MASH. Oh, Max. Post speed 35. I beg to differ. Look at the Fat Daddy slicks on this. Oh man. It's got nitrous. What the? Oh man. Okay. This thing is too crazy. This is way over the top. Skinnies in the front. So we drag racing. That's what this is telling me. This is telling me this is nothing but a good party. And I want to be invited. Put me on the guest list, okay? I want to, yes. Oh, this is insane. And of course, it wouldn't be LS Fest without a little bit of that drip sauce. Oh, here we go. Man, they getting it. They getting it, man. This is crazy. How you know you from the country? Bam. Says it all, baby. This is sick. And look, that's not pink. That's salmon. That is salmon. So are those turtles? I love it. I love the play off the cow. I love everything about this thing. Oh man, they got dibble dyes and cowhide on the inside. That was a trifecta rhyme. I just rhymed. Dibble dyes, cowhide. I can't even remember what I just said. Man, this thing is sick. Oh, they did a good job on this C10. And it's on the floor, man. Oh, I didn't even see the little accent on the calipers. Very nice. Very, very, very nice. Oh man, with the stacks. They put the stacks on the hot and cold side of the turbo. Beautiful, beautiful. And then we come to the Holly booth. Who's putting on this event? Where you can get your accessories for your LS, your belt drive, your NSD coils. They got everything. Like, this is sick. And this is where I'm going to end this episode. So, if you guys ever wanted to know what LS Fest East is like, it's insane. It's incredible. I love it. And so this is giving you a nice little inside look of what day one is. There, it's already like packed. Like, it is insanely packed. And they're saying tomorrow, this is nothing compared to what they're going to see tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit those motherfucking buttons. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace out!